Hello, welcome to Erin Lee's Beauty. I'm Erin, and today I have Medusa's makeup for the month of May to go over with everyone. Now, I know I said I wasn't going to be filming Medusa's makeup anymore. I was unaware I still had a bag or two left to finish out my yearly subscription. So we're just going to go ahead and go over that. Now, the prices for this is $22.95 a month. This is a beauty subscription that's vegan and cruelty-free. This is a package that it comes in, and I love the pearlescent metallic looking packaging. It's just super cute, and they do promise you 5 items inside the subscription box, but it looks like there's more than that this time around, which I'm totally okay with. We have a couple cards inside of the packaging here. Let's see, this is just reminding you of the birthday month coming up, and then also the rainbow box coming up in June. This is festive sun care package, and that's the theme of the month this month, and we have a total bag value of $61.90 for spending $22.95. That's not bad. Now, if you get yearly subscription, you can get this for cheaper as well. And we also have a flyer from Foxy Bay, so I think we're having a Foxy Bay item inside of this month's subscription. Okay, so the first thing I'm pulling out here is like a bonus item because it's not included with the bag value or anything, and it's from Plant Fusion Complete Plant Collagen Builder in Creamy Vanilla Bean. So I think after a certain age you stop producing collagen like you're supposed to, so you're supposed to ingest it or get it in some kind of way. So definitely like that. This next item is also not listed on the card, but is in my bag. It's Brenda Dylan Kelly Lip Cream, and I have tried this company before from Medusa's Makeup, and I really did enjoy it. So let's see what shade they gave me this time. Okay. This is like a reddish pink color, more on the red side, but it's really pretty. Okay, the next thing that's also not considered an item is that this month they put it in a little cute purple bag, and the hearts are made of like that shipping packaging stuff that you can like pop. I don't know what it's called, but really cute looking bag. They always send me pink ones. It's nice that I got a purple one for once, so it's a little bit different. This is the Foxy Bay product, and this is a 12-in-1 Magic Leave-In Hair Mask. I was actually looking to pick this up today, and I'm glad I didn't because I got it inside of a subscription box. But this is valued at $6.95. I think this is like a deluxe size sample, but it's still... Yeah. But it's still like a really generous portion, so excited to get that. And then something else I've been wanting to try from Medusa's Makeup is their liquid eyeshadow. Apologize, I got a 2-year-old in the background there. Okay, and it's purple, which I love. I don't think I have any purple liquid eyeshadows, and that is so pretty. This is the color right here swatched. Now these are like $14 a piece, I think. So let me double check. Yes, this liquid eyeshadow in the shade Grace is valued at $14. We still got a few more items in here. So next is one of their eye dusts, which I really like. I have like a little collection of them. I like that you can take off the tops and then twist them all together to make like a little tower for easier storing. But this is in the shade Rising Star. It's like a gold looking color. Okay, so I got it open, and it has like 5 little holes where the eyeshadow can come out. And I got more than I wanted to get, but that's okay. So here's the color right here. Just like a really nice looking gold. Really pretty. It's so soft to the touch. It almost looks like a highlighter kind of, but really cute. This eye dust is valued at $9. And then I can't believe there's still more stuff in here. This is crazy. I really do like this company. I have tried it's Jelly Pond Cosmetics. And this is a highlighting pencil. Let's see. I don't see a shade name on here. But this is valued at $17.95. So that's a significant amount. But I feel like with the vegan cruelty-free stuff, sometimes you have a tendency to have stuff a little bit more higher price. And I would love to try this out like on my waterline to see how that would look. But it's almost like a nude looking color. I don't even know if you can see it on the camera there with the lighting and everything. One more item in here, and this is also something else I've tried from Medusas makeup before. It's Medusas makeup vegan tinted lip balm. I'm wondering, this is in a different shade than I own, which is super cool, so I'm not going to have duplicates. This is in the shade Take Out, and it is like a really pretty, like light pink color. I don't even know if that'll, and it doesn't really show up like anything on the skin. So this is a pretty decent lip balm. I did like it last time I used it. But this is valued at $14 for this lip balm. That's everything I have for you today. I'm Erin. Thank you so much for watching.